But there's so much good stuff in this town.
You could do sick parkour in there. If you could do parkour.
What is that? Oh, yuck! Yuck! Those stairs are rusty. Ugh.
It's all wood. Oh yeah.
This is so good. The Royale with cheese. It's so good.
It'd be harder when the tree's moving. Yeah. Or easier. Some moment. Let me know. See what part.
So we're through the customs and we just found this really, really cool thing in the airport. It's a boot polishing area and it's just so perfect for us. Yeah, it's weird. He normally does the polishing of the boots.
I need one of these in my house.
What?
We need one of these in our apartment.
Yeah, we need one of these. The sun is just coming up. Time to get on this plane.
Contact the flight attendant.
I wonder what movies they got.
Mm-hmm.
We are in Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas.
Howdy.
Howdy, howdy. I just wanted to mention that I find this really cool, like super cool, that you guys just have like...
Thank you.
What are these called? Like vending machines?
Yeah, it's still a vendor. That's a machine.
It's a vending machine for makeup. And I think it's the coolest thing. It's
very cool.
Oh my god!
This is so nice.
It's like the most beautiful lobby ever, actually.
Walk up these stairs.
Yeah, we should walk up there just to see.
Hmm?
Yeah. Okay, so while Justin takes a nap, I'm just going to show you guys the hotel that we're in because it's pretty nice. So yeah, I'll just I'll give you a quick tour. All right, so walking in, there's like 2 sections. So there's like a kitchen over there where Justin's sleeping, bedroom, bathroom over there. So we'll just go this way. Some nice little stuff. There's a closet. There's like a huge TV. Nice little couch, sitting area that we've trashed. There's a little kitchen area with like coffee maker, all that jazz. Tiny little baby sink, microwave, cool little fridge that has a freezer in it actually. There's like a little desk area. There's some pretty cool art on the walls, pretty abstract. There's 2 really big windows. Little kitchen table area. I stole one of the chairs from my makeup table, which you'll see. So that's where I just came from. Turn the corner, there's a bed. Over here, another huge TV, which is so huge and really bright. This is where we've been stashing all of our merch so far. We've got a lot, a lot. Then there's a big pile of mess on the ground. And then over here, it's my little makeup area, which I stole that chair for. I've just got my makeup strewn everywhere. It's really cool. This little bag, this mirror, came with the hotel. It's really cool. It's very handy to have. Also a huge mirror here. And then the bathroom, you can walk in this way, or you can come in through the bedroom. There's 2 doors. So it's a pretty nice bathroom. There's like a crap ton of drawers that we're just not even gonna use. I imagine that's for like long-term stayers. We got a big mirror, lots of stuff here, toilet, lots of towels, big long mirror, and our shower has no door. But it's really cool because this thing and those things spray outward at you. So it's kind of cool because you get like a full body spray. So yeah.
There's like no one out. It's like everyone just said no.
Right.
Not good.
So yeah, we slept for probably 4 hours. Ran out to Calgary, spent the day with my mom and brother. It was Canada Day yesterday. Fucking run around down and shit. Fucking got 2 hours sleep last night. Flew out this morning. Got a couple hours on the fucking plane. Now we're here.
Because like last time we just busted out a fucking show in Denver and started circling and shit.
And
Most of the people were
These are pretty studly outfits.
And you know, on the Facebook page, there's a lot of selling tickets. Yeah. So
machine smokes.
Did you?
I did.
What did you get?
I don't know. Some kind of smokes.
You're like,
Yeah, they're not Export A or Canadian Classics or anything like that, so I don't really know.
$8 for a bag of Marlboro.
how many are in there?
I can't put
Marlboro?
Marlboro.
Yay, punk rock.
Yay! Day 2 outfits. Yours is
Mine's the same as day 1 outfit,
pretty much the
except
same.
a different Canada band.
Bad combo.
Yeah. I know they got like it's even the classic tiki glasses and shit like that.
Adorable.
That's good gas.
And it's on fire.
But then when we had that bowl, there were like all these leaves in it.
You know it's true.
how bad it is.
That's part of it.
Basically, yeah. It was holy shit! Do the spin! Oh. Do the spin!
No. Oh. Jump in the fire. Jump in the fire. It's an oval pizza.
I want the big piece.
Dude, $27.
It's like a quarter of a pizza right there.
Cash.
That one piece.
Yeah, look at this. It goes all the way out here.
I mean, I guess they're all the same size because that one's like super long, but that one's like really fat.
That one's like, I feel like
Except that one's small.
This one's the tiniest one, which
Yeah.
is even still a huge slice of pizza.
That one looks like the biggest on the edge.
Think you can ask, like, can I have that slice?
No. This is huge.
It's ginormous.
It's as big as my hand.
Joe Normus.
So I can always tell what part of the country everybody's from, how they eat their pizza.
Oh, how?
Usually. Literally, yeah. That's fucking.
Wait, I need to.
ass.
Oh, I can't. My phone's dead.
Take me, baby. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
You see that lady laugh and I said, yeah, that guy's weird. She's like,
I know, I saw that. Dude, you know what's weird?
so you don't get like, if you're lactose intolerant, you'll sick from it.
Yeah, I think it's actually made with soy milk.
It's soy chocolate milk, pretty much.
Whoa, cool. Goodbye, Tulsa.
Goodbye, Tulsa. Oklahoma. It's been swell, but the swelling's gone down.
That's definitely yours.
Yeah.